I'm just really excited to go camping with you today. I've made a special checklist of all the things we need. So let's see what I have in my bag. First, I have my fishing rod. Check! Then I brought my water bottle. Check! I brought my hat. Very important. Check. I brought a flashlight. That's really important when you go camping. Check. Let's see. I brought an extra hat just because I think hats are so important that you always need to have your head covered. I brought my sunscreen. Let me just check that off my list. Check. I brought a plate for when I make food. I brought some soap so I can wash all those germies off my hands. You see those germies? That soap just gets rid of them right away. Got my soap. And then I brought some of my favorite things. Graham crackers. Marshmallows. And a chocolate bar. We're gonna make s'mores.